2, 1.
You know, we see the completion of this project now, and it took, I think, a little bit less than a year to get this done. This project probably goes back about 11 years from the planning stage. Former Mayor Marie Lopez Rogers was on the MAG Regional Council when this project got put into the queue. And I just want to say a huge thanks to all the other mayors across the valley. And this was a project that they funded a few years ago, understanding the need that this freeway on-ramp and off-ramp was going to need for the city of Avondale, and the difference it was going to make.
This project took partnerships. It's a partnership between ADOT, City of Avondale, MAG, the Federal Highway Administration, to make this happen. So we were very fortunate to be a part of your project. Thank you for having me. Like this project and others, construction keeps going. So one of the things that we're going to see is I-10 improvements starting later this year from Avondale to I-17, improving that pavement. No widening, but we're going to make the pavement smoother, and we'll continue construction going along the I-10 corridor.
It's taken 10 years, as the mayor has said. It's about time we get it finished and taken care of to allow the economic development that's already taken part on this side with the wonderful warehouses that are here. And off to my east, we have all kinds of new ones going up here, 3 warehouses that are supposed to be finished by October this year, another 725,000 square feet. So we're grateful for this interchange and for what it'll mean for Avondale, not only for the warehousing, but for downtown and the Boulevard that will come here in the future.
I'm really excited about the safety factors. This development, this freeway, will relieve some of the traffic from the larger diesel trucks off of Dysart Road and off of Avondale Boulevard, which will, one, keep our streets safer. It will help with traffic on those areas. So we're really excited about it.
It's a pretty exciting day, pretty exciting time to have this Fairway Exchange, this Fairway Drive open so that members of the community can have the access that they've been looking for, and also provides another path for the Avondale residents to get to many different areas of the city in which we really need.